Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. On today's video we'll be doing an AI website builder review. We haven't done this in a while, but now here we are. Today we will be reviewing Hocoos. I hope I'm saying that correctly. Hocoos AI website builder. Said it's a website that helps people create their own website quickly and easily, and it uses artificial intelligence by asking simple 8 questions about your business, and then you get a custom website with text, design, and images. And it also helps you to design your website further with easy to use editor. So this is the website. And let's see the pricing. See, there's a pricing option, or there's a free version where you have the free hosting, booking, blog, and you can upload image and content. But then you cannot connect a domain for free or the custom email. You have to use the premium for this, and then you get a discount, a 23% discount. So we've created an account, and I guess this is for what you see when you create an account, the set of questions that you like to create. So that the theme of our website once create, let's create for a beauty. Okay, so a beauty salon, and then continue with writing the next question. The services that we would like to offer. So roofing, hair styling, facial, massage, basically everything. We do everything. And then continue. And the third question, what you would want to do with your website. Yeah, we would like to sell products and get new customers, maybe write a blog. So everything as well. And then this is the fourth question. So yeah, it's a physical store and also an online business. So what do we like it to be called? Uh, for me, please. I can't think of any other name right now. Continue. And this is the sixth question. So the unique aspect of our business, it will generate more content. So we are affordable and we have qualified and experienced staff. So you can only choose three. And one more question. How would you like they should use the contact form, email address. So we don't have an email because this is not a real business. Let's use funny at gmail.com and then continue. And it's building a website. Okay. You see here you can choose the color palette that you would like. I think since it's more about beauty, I think the first color palette is good. And then you can choose the font. Yeah, I think that's best applies. Let's see the second style first. No, I guess I'll go with the first one. Okay. So yeah, we see create my website, and it is creating our website. And there we have our website. Oh, I like the animation here. Looks nice. And let's scroll. This are the services. I see you can change the image. You can add a link. Okay. And then there's the address, and you can add a logo. And then it created like other pages. There's the about us pages. You can change the image, you can add members of your teams and the rest. And you can use their domain, or you can use a custom if you have a custom domain. So let's view the website. I would say this is how most beauty salon website looks like. So I would say got that, and there's a page for testimonials. Nice. And then the contact us form. I remember we said we want a store because we would like to sell products. Yeah, we don't have any product yet. And then there's a blog. So let me know, will you be trying this? Even let me know in the comments if your website is currently built with an AI website builder, because we see so many AI website builders now. And I really want to know, does your website run with this? Do you use this, or do you just code or use WordPress or Webflow? Is your website currently an AI website? Let me know in the comment section, and see you next time.